And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. We're doing something special for Kayfabe and for Naomi. Okay, a lot of people freaked out over a couple of days ago on earthquakes. Uncle Al's an old timer. I'm used to it. If you're afraid, just come and sit with Uncle Al and don't bug him. Now, I made a delightful snack because nobody else knows how to cook. So I'm going to eat that off camera because Uncle Alan has palsy on one side of his face and you don't want to see food come out. And pickled vegetables from Uncle Alan's garden because he knows what he's doing. This is going to be a simple one. Okay, we're sending this to Kayfabe. It has a pocket clip. Now, you see you can't pull it out. There's no nail nicks. And she has long fingernails. Uncle Alan doesn't like to break his fingernails, so he got, sorry, my hand doesn't work like it used to, but it gets it out. Now, there's no locking mechanism. It has a liner lock. You press that down. Okay, got to be careful. Sometimes Uncle Alan's a little bit old, and sometimes you can't remember which way it goes. Okay, that's how you close it. It goes that way. And this way locks it in. Really easy, folks. See that? Now, this isn't automatic. What Uncle Alan did can't do anymore because Uncle Alan's an old farmer. His hands messed up. Now, the Art Sea Girls, go check out their YouTube channel. They have great flexibility. Uncle Alan's hands like a 1922 car is running today. It's crippled up. You bust cinder blocks and shovel crap all your life. See how well your hands will do. Also, I milk cows, kids. Not like, oh, we'll stick a little tube up to the teats and let the machine do it. No, I did it by hand. Okay, so I'll get into position like that. Now, thumb it out, pop it out, and like that. You don't wave it about. That's first sign like, oh, this guy doesn't know what the hell he's doing. See, easy as pie. Uncle Alan's half crippled, half blind can do this. But am I going to wave it around? No, it's going to be in my hand so you can't see it. I could hurt you 6 different ways just by not pulling out the blade. And it'll be a lot bloodier than the blade. And only one way if I use the blade. And I'm not going to, you won't see it. It's so fast that you're wondering, why is your kidney on the floor? Why are you dying in a pool of blood? That was 5 minutes ago and you're dead. Uncle Alan's that good and that skilled. So I don't have to wave around or be quick. I know what I'm doing, and if I want to, I could hurt people. Now, Uncle Alan's getting old and tired and doesn't want to play kid games. You wave a gun knife in front of me, I'm going to shoot you. I don't carry a gun, but I'm going to shoot you. Okay? Now, earthquakes like this doesn't bother Uncle Alan. Okay, I went through 2 earthquakes in Japan, one on Okinawa and one in Hokkaido. The Japanese earthquake is similar but different. How's it different? When you see cars breakdancing on the road, when you see entire houses get swallowed up by the earth, when you see fissure-sized cracks big as a semi-rig, and everything goes like this for 45 minutes, and you're wondering, what the hell's going on? And it doesn't stop. And it keeps going and worse and worse and worse. And suddenly, that's it. Okay, back to reality. Sorry about that. That's a real earthquake. Not like around here. Shake it a little bit, a few things fell down, a few walls fell down. No, we're talking you see an earthquake, you're pooping in your pants kind of earthquake. So don't tell me when I see anything. And Naomi, I think it's Naomi Hollywood. If you have a problem, you go next to a real man, Uncle Al, and I'll protect your butt. I'm getting old and tired, and I don't want to hear this kind of crap. Ain't that right, Uni? I'm so afraid. I'm afraid my own shadow. And I left a big mess, Uncle Alan. Yeah, I know. So Uncle Alan, sorry, wrong voice. Uncle Alan about had it. I have my gear and everything ready. So my family's like, why did you spend $1,500 on a survival vacation? Well, we're trying to figure out how to use a ferro rod. And I watched the video. I laugh. I did it outside, grabbed all the grass and stuff. Okay, their grass bundle was like this. Okay, Uncle Alan's grass bundle. It's like kissing a woman. You gotta know what you're doing, kids. Okay? They took an hour and a half to light the fire. 30 seconds. Beat that, you boneheads. And they're looking like mouths open. I said, you know, we have cattle flies around here. Close your mouth. I'm hungry. Where's my steak? $1,500 for something stupid like that. This is why Uncle Alan's poor, blind, and nuts. When I have my stupid relatives like, but Uncle Alan, it's our money. But you owe me money, a lot of it. But we went camping and left you a nice note. You owe me money. It's the end of the world, and you see this little angry Asian man. You owe me money. People don't understand. I should do a video on making money. Uncle Alan's tired. He's been working all his life. I'm supposed to be rested up and watch butts at the golf course swimming pool. Young ladies' butts. But no, Uncle Alan has to work more again. And I had it. This time, once I make my money, Plan H, you guys screw yourself. All you Democrats, Republicans, I don't care, because you're dumbasses. Yeah, Uncle Alan's really mad. You're not mad at me, Uncle Alan? No comment. But, like I said, folks, usually I give out shout outs and tips and stuff. But I'm tired and I'm hungry. I want to eat a little bit and I want to snooze. I've been working since 4:30, earning enough money to get this rebuilt new modern stuff. What I'm filming on is like a 1922 version of that one, which is like an AR or Ferrari compared to this old piece of, but it still works and I'm comfortable with it. So Uncle Alan's getting old and Uncle Alan's getting tired. And I got to update a lot of stuff. And sorry, Will, I can't make it this Monday. Will does just-in-time prepping on Monday. Roundtable discussion. Please join. It starts at 7 or 8. I can't remember. Mountain Time. Check his channel. He does a really good job. Uncle Alan's just been tired. I've been working since the first, trying to get everything up to speed and replace some of the stuff that's missing. Can't even light a fire with a ferro rod. I told him, you know, Uncle Alan lights fires with flint and steel. I'll bet you $50 and 100. You got the 100? I got the 100 now. Don't bet against Uncle Al, period. Stupid kids. Catch you later, kids. I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I gotta eat something. I'm tired and I'm cranky. Bye. Don't forget me, Uncle Al. It's Uni. Us Democrats gotta stick together. I'm not a Democrat. You should. You get all wonderful benefits. No. Bye, kids.